i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to change your pattern controls on a Bobcat T650 track compact loader skid steer with the joystick controls. This one's pretty easy. It's all inside the computer and the cab, so we're going to climb up in here. Already got our machine running. Zoom out to the fisheye lens, give you a good view of the interior. So this is your user interface, all your switches, our parking brake on here. And here is your pattern control switch, ISO and H.